Now, the video recorder does not require a hard drive to be installed for it to operate. The operating system is actually in firmware in the video recorder. The hard drives themselves is only for 100% video storage. It doesn't store any operating system, it doesn't store any firmware, anything like that. All video surveillance systems use SATA hard drives, the standard PC hard drives that you find in computers. You want to win a $1,200 security camera system? All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll instantly be entered to win. The lucky YouTube subscriber will be chosen at the end of the month. So smash that subscribe button.